In this video, I'm going to show you how to install request. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in sudo pip install request. Then you're going to type in your password. And that is how you install request.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.